everyone, Matt here with Home Farm Ideas, and this is the craziest thing I've ever seen. But one of the coolest, but it's gonna cause me a problem though. So I'm actually out by a riverbed, and if you look around me, this is nothing but industrial area, right? There's just cars. They're probably all looking at me right now and they're thinking like, what is this guy doing over here? Okay. But I had to show you this because I do, you guys know I don't get to my videos nowadays because I do a lot of junk removal for our company. And then I also do street sweeping. I own a street sweeping company. And so I do a lot of homeless cleanup. And I like to take opportunities to talk to these guys. Not all of them are bad, you know. Some of them are, you know, but some of them aren't. Some of them just need a little bit of love and care. But this one, whoever did this they're pretty cool in my book, man. So let me show you what they did here. And it's garden, it's pertaining to gardening, I think. So industrial, or not industrial. This person's pretty smart, I think. So number one, they're not very junky. There is some junk right here, but I just wanted to kind of show you everything here. Okay, so there was seats here, you know, seats there. Obviously that's a seat. Okay, then you got different different plants growing here, you know. I don't think this is thyme. You guys probably know what this is. I know what it is, but I don't normally like it. It goes with lamb, I know that. I know I sound like such a rookie right now. I've grown this stuff for my wife. I don't like it, so I don't grow it often, okay? But there's more of it over here. There's also plants here, and there is a sign, okay? These are little palms getting burnt up by the sun. I'm assuming these are sugar canes, okay? This is from a homeless person. They literally had a little pallet of stuff dropped off here. You got an avocado tree here, some grass, you got some strawberries, or tomatoes, and then I'm assuming some strawberries here, of course. Okay, and then we have what I believe are pepper plants. Yep, serranos. Then you got eggplant. And this one is probably an eggplant as well. No, it's probably pepper. Some kind of pepper. Yellow bell peppers. Then you have an avocado tree. A healthy one too. Okay, then you have something that's been planted here. It's already starting to sprout. There was a sign right here. And it said community center. Oh wait, let me show you. It's in the back of my truck already. I had to rip it down. I hate doing stuff like this, but literally, like, one of my clients is being fined because the city wants her to get it all out of here. But otherwise, I would advise my client to hire this person to beautify the area. Unfortunately, these homeless people are taking advantage of the situation, and they're congregating there, and they're probably doing heroin and stuff like that. But see that sign was up there. Someone took the time to do all that. Whoever did that needs a job. Needs a job with somebody that's gonna really give them an opportunity. So if you're this person, contact me. I'll try to get you a job. Okay? But that's not the cake. That's not the icing on top of the cake. Okay? So I was hired to haul all this away, but I tried to pick up the barbecue. And I've lifted about 300 or 400 pounds. I can't even get that out of the ground. Someone concreted this entire thing in to the ground. I'm not laughing at my client because I respect my client. She's cool people. But this person was definitely a force to be reckoned with, and I respect this person. I just wish I could see who it is and encourage them out of this. But anyways, Matt, Home Farm Ideas. Yeah, I guess where there's a will, there's a way. Pray for this person. I don't know who they are, but God bless them. I wish they had a better opportunity, and I hope that God's going to give them opportunity. So anyway, like always, you guys, God bless you, and yeah, peace.